I can't stand people who say things like, just listen to that little voice in your head. You got this. You understand, that motherfucker wants me to kill myself and others.
Did you do some dumb shit? Hell yeah. Did you get us both in trouble? Hell yeah. Am I still helping you because you're my best friend? Yeah.
So Santa knows when you've been bad or good, right? So not only could he have helped Rudolph when he was being bullied by the other reindeer, he could have stopped the Grinch from being so grinchy. I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
I said it again. Hey, what we is? For lifer.